How the cow says.
What does a duck say? What does an owl say? What does a sheep say? What does a wolf say? What does a monkey say? Marilyn, what does a monkey say? What does a baby say? That's right. What does a baby say?
What does the horse say?
That's right.
What does mama say?
That's right. Marilyn, where's your head? No, that's not going to happen now.
With animals.
I know. That's right. Where are your fingers? Where's your chin? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Close. Where are your elbows? Where's your belly button? That's right. And where is it? Where are your toes?
Yeah.
That's right.
What is mama? What is the baby? What is dada?
Yay!
You're the baby. Baby.